Hey guys, and welcome to our first segment of the next playlist coming up, the next project, which is RTR7. I think we'll call this one 7 Up, The Reawakening. After chatting with my family, it turns out it's been 2 years since I drove it, and that's kind of bit me in the butt. We dug out the keys today and got the charger on it and went to fire it up, and we're not getting fuel. So flipped the hood, checked underneath, and discovered the fuel pump is leaking like a sieve, and that, I'll be honest, is a straight result of the ethanol in the fuel nowadays. The cars like this, the old school English fuel pumps, hate methanol, and leaving it parked for a couple of years didn't help the cause. The diaphragm appears to have died. It's blowing fuel all over the place. So we're going to have to wait till we can get it inside to get it up and running. We're going to switch to an electric fuel pump and end that problem. And in the meantime, we'll give you a couple minutes to get a few other looks at the car. The steps are going to be get it in, get it up, get it running, get it checked out, get it ready for summer. And we want to drive it this summer, have some fun with it. And that's going to take a few things. The other curveball she threw me was, when I got in and stepped on the brake pedal, there was none. So from sitting again, it looks like we've got a brake problem of some kind we got to chase down. So we'll be building on those segments as we go forward and get those knocked off. And in the meantime, we've got to get her moved inside and get things going forward. So we'll talk to you real soon with this series, 7 Up.